Well, good morning, everybody. What we have here is my first flight with the cameras operating. Right now, I'm just sitting here setting up the camera. I just got it going, so I'm checking it out. And anyway, the camera itself has no audio, so it's just video from that drone. But anyway, we're getting this thing set up, and then I'm going to take it on downstairs, and we're going to take it out for some test flights, see what kind of a video I can come up with. So why don't you guys come along and join me for the inaugural test flights with the camera. It's kind of entertaining. There's a slight breeze today, so I end up upside down a few times. This drone does not have a lot of power, and I'm flying it in pretty tight spaces with a lot of obstacles, so it tends to end up crashing into things. And anyway, it's what it is. I've got a lot of work to do, but I finally got it set up. I finally thought I had enough control of the thing so that I could take it out and fly it with the camera going. But for some reason, with the camera going, you got more things to think about in your head, and so you tend to make a little more mistakes. But as you can see, now we're flying, facing out the driveway. Right now, I'm just practicing some takeoffs and landings. Anyway, there's not a whole lot more to say about it. So I'm going to just leave it to itself, and you guys enjoy if you want. If not, I understand. There you go, successful landing. Put the board down because the grass is tall, and it'll affect the blades, so you can't, I need something to land it on. Anyway. Yeah, try and take a few takeoffs and landings, and then I'll try flying around a little bit more. But anyway, this is a pretty quick video. It's only 8 minutes, so it won't take much time. It's actually not a bad camera. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's certainly the quality of my GoPro. So they call it a high definition camera. I'm not really sure what the pixels are or any of that stuff, but yeah, it's a pretty good camera. And it seems to be fairly stable. I don't get a lot of shaking. I don't know if that's just because it's, in the drone doesn't shake around too much. It's fairly smooth, but it might have some image stabilization too. So anyway, that was taken off from the garage. Now I'm coming out of the garage, going over the car. Well, you can see what it's doing. Yeah, I don't have a long battery life. They say that I get about 15 to 18 minutes of flight time depending on how I'm using it. And so this isn't a long video. I did take some pictures with it, and it does take pictures, but I'm not, there you go, there's the first drop. I ran into the truck. Anyway, the pictures are fine. I just didn't add them to this. No point. So I'm here, I'm setting it back down on the platform to take off again. So all right, let's see if we can get something better going here. Yeah, I took it out in the street because I wanted to have a little more room to fly it. doing a great job here. I'll write this thing and take it over and try it again. Oh, what I did is I brought it back in here to adjust the yaw and everything. You know, you have a sinking thing, so you need a flat surface to put it on so you can sink it to get everything stable again. So we'll take off here again in the garage. Okay. Did one landing in the back of the truck. And I guess I took off from the back of the truck too. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. No, I'm putting it back over in the box. Okay. So this is the last section of the video, so I'm going to take it down out in the street and run it up the street a little bit. Yeah, I took this thing out in the street one day, and I was a little low, and a car came by, and I had to get it up, but I did get it up above the car. They drove under it. But I almost hit the car. It wasn't good. So. Anyway, this one didn't work out too good. I didn't land it. Ended up crashing it into one of the trash cans, and then that's pretty much the end of the video. But it's kind of fun to fly. Got the cat there. There we go. There you go. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Anyway, it's no big deal. Just so hopefully now I can get some videos of us riding the bikes. All right, aloha.